Alright, so I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 and more from GramFree from anywhere in the world, and you can make withdrawals from anywhere in the world without any hitches. You can see this is a payment proof. So wherever in the world, as long as you have a smartphone and a PC, I'm going to show you how to earn $1,000 and more from GramFree. Making your withdrawals from GramFree, it's very easy. The 510 gram was withdrawn to a Bitcoin wallet, and you can use any of these payment methods to withdraw your money: Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer account, or a Payee account. So it's free. You need to invest some time to earn this. Nothing good comes easy. It's not going to cost you anything to register. You just need to invest some time on the network. You know, it's a cryptocurrency. It's new in the market. So once you jump on this wagon this early, you have the potential to earn a lot when this cryptocurrency appreciates in value. So let's jump in and get started. Click the link below to get started. I'm going to show you step by step how to go about earning this kind of money on GramFree. So let's jump in and get started.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Reed School, or visit us at reedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.